There's an old saying, measure twice and cut once. But the real culprit is not the measuring, it's the marking. And I'm gonna show you how to do it the right way. The most common way to make a mark is to just put your tape measure up there and make an I or an L. The reason it doesn't work is because it doesn't tell you enough information. The better way is to place your tape measure on the piece of wood and make a V mark like this. That gives you an exact point from which you can take any kind of square you have, place it right on the mark, and draw a straight line. When it comes to marking, don't stop there. Go ahead and label your offcut piece by drawing a big X. That way you know which side's your keep side and which side's your bad side. If you have to walk away from your project, when you come back, you'll know exactly where you are. My second marking tip involves chalk. It's great for labeling parts because it's easy to remove and it doesn't scratch the surface as much as pencil. And it rubs off super well. Now, if you make a mistake, you have no excuse. I've shown you the right way.